Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. Users love them for protecting privacy and avoiding spam when signing up for websites. And today I have two best methods to use temporary emails or the disposal emails instead of your personal professional email account or Google account. Now if you want to do that, first of all do subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tech tips and tricks. Now guys, this is very suitable and best to avoid spams and make it our professional Google account secure. Now you want to use the temporary emails. So how can you use that? Just come to your Google Play Store. Alright, then you need to not Google Play Store, come to Google Chrome and search here temp mail. Once you search that, here you can see on this website you can use all the temporary mails whatever you want to use and wherever you want to log in. And the second method is that you can use the disposal or temporary mails from a application which name is instant mail. Now guys, using these two methods you can easily able to access all the temporary emails or Google accounts to log in and make your Google personal account spam free. I hope it's helpful for you. So don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.